Click the subscribe button, hit the bell icon to never miss another update.
Due to the love and kindness of Imam Hasan, people gets attracted to him and his admirers were increasing day by day. The ruler was feeling more threatened than ever. Tricks were used to keep people away from Imam Hasan Askari. But to no avail, he finally decided to martyr the Imam. He ordered the soldiers to go to the Imam's house and poison him through food. The Imam became ill because of eating this food. A few days later, he called his close follower Abu al-Din. Abu al-Din was in charge of Imam Hasan Askari's letters. The Imam gave few letters to Abu al-Din and asked him to deliver these letters to the city of Madain. Imam told him his journey will be completed in 15 days and by the time he will return to Samarra, Imam would have been martyred. Abu al-Din heard this and began to weep. He knew that Imam always give accurate news of the future. He asked,
"Who will be our Imam after this difficult stage?"
The Imam silenced him and said,
"If you want to know who your next Imam will be, then see these signs in him, ask for answers to my letters and pray."
Abu al-Din became sad and went towards Madain and delivered the letters. And as the Imam had said, he reached Samarra on the 15th day. Without waiting, he left for the Imam's house. The sounds of crying were coming from his house. He became convinced that the Imam had been martyred. His eyes were on Imam's brother Jaffer, who was outside the Imam's house, and people were offering condolences to him and congratulating him on his leadership. Abu al-Din asked to himself,
"Is he the next Shia Imam now? But how is this possible?
The Imam is infallible, but Jaffer did not have this quality." He was thinking,